Hi friends. Today, just I wanted to add last 6 months of preparation. This is first thing which I want to discuss before having a personal discussion. So, I have seen a lot of contents, how to go and what are the preparation strategy. Everything was discussed in various platforms. Just I want to tell you 3 rules for preparation. Okay, the last 6 months, 3 rules. The rule one is never ever skip any subject at this point of time. You are not allowed to skip any subjects. Even some of the students asked me, shall I skip one major subject, sir? Okay, almost we expect the NEET PG exam in the month of February first week maximum. Okay, so we will make sure the preparation for January. Okay, if 1 month postponement happen, it's a good to revise. Okay, but maximum NEET PG exam will happen in the month of February first week. Okay, so first, so in this time you have enough time. Definitely there is no point of skipping any subject, especially major subject like medicine, surgery, OG, pediatrics. No skipping business at all. And ENT, after 7 subject which you must know, that you should know about everything. You may not, for a subject which you are really worried not to read, you should know at least something about everything. The first rule is don't skip a subject, especially major subjects. There is a pre-final year subjects and final year subject. Okay, the first rule. In this, sir, I won't skip this subjects, but how to prepare? That's the key. The second rule comes for preparation is group discussion. So I have watched many of the videos which are being popularized by various app platforms. I have seen don't do group discussion. That was the point which was again and again discussed by many so-called popular centers which is available in the app and online platform. Please, my dear students, my dear PG aspirants, my dear friends, my dear graduates, my dear doctors, my dear brothers and sisters, never ever avoid group discussion. The group discussion is key. I have told even in the previous video session how to form a team. See, in this the technology has grown up so nicely. You may be feeling drowsy by after lunch. Okay, you can take, all of you can come to through the Zoom or a WhatsApp video chat, and you can all discuss together. Some 10 questions you can put, 15, 20 questions you can put. Randomly you can ask, hey, what is this Tillman? What is where you get libido reticularis? What is a radiolucent stone? What is the investigation of choice for RCC? Like that, you can discuss with all. Okay, so this is the second way. This is the second. Okay, there was I think some audio issues. See, the first point which I want to repeat is the number one is don't skip any subjects in the last 6 months. Never ever skip any subjects in the last 6 months. Okay, that's the first rule. In the first rule, what I want to convey you all is, like, when you skip a subject, especially medicine, surgery, OG, pediatrics, ENT, and ophthalmology, and preventive medicine, that will be going to be a tough time for you. So never ever skip any subjects in this upcoming months. Okay, especially in the major subjects, you should know something about everything. I think I'm audible for everyone. Shall I proceed? I am audible for everyone. Yeah, so you should know something about everything. This is the first rule. I'm going to tell 3 rules. Out of that, the first rule is you should know something about everything. Number 2, when you suppose if you are very much allergic to preventive medicine, there are a lot of high yield areas in the preventive medicine. Like, you should know biostatistics, you should know committees, you should know epidemiology, you should know all studies like case control study, cohort study, all those studies. They are high yield area. You should read at least. So don't ask me personally a message, sir, can you tell me some subjects which I can skip? No subjects can be skipped, because you have enough months. So in this enough month, what I mean, because the exam is 99.9% will be in the month of February, and there is a 50-50 chance in the month of January first week as usual. But what I want to tell you is, if in this available 5 months, like if you are worried or if you are allergic to some subjects, you have to revise with the help of a team. The rule 2, which I am going to tell, is how to form a team. The most important aspect of any discussion is a teamwork. Okay, so how to form a team is a very important question, even which I have discussed, especially if there are undergraduate students. You have to form a team. I have listened some of the videos, popular videos which are available in the market. In majority, they are telling don't form a team. I'm really worried about that, because when we were the student, there were no app. When we were the student, there were no coachings. Okay, we discussed, we learned, we strengthen our knowledge by team discussion. That is a group discussion. Now the platform is so good. You can go, you can do WhatsApp video call or a Zoom call or any Indian app call or a team call, okay, or a Reliance video call, because many are nowadays are telling why you want to tell Zoom, sir, when Reliance is Reliance video is also available. Whatever is there, please make use of the platform and at least read off, discuss off an hour to 1 hour. It is not like sitting and reading in a video chat a day together. It is not like that. Okay, you just post lunch, you may be feeling drowsy. Hey, come on, we will chat, man. We will chat subject. Put a random question. You will be starting with this. I still remember the days when we started with the 1 point. For sometimes we will be really bored. It gone 2 hours, 3 hours like that. The discussion in when we were discussing at MGR University. So there is no point like you have to ask this question. So you may be asking what is the investigation of choice for renal cell carcinoma. It will start with a CT scan. Then you, for a venous IVC invasion, it will go with the MRI. Then it goes, then MRI where claustrophobia is a side effect. It goes like that. Then in a claustrophobia, what are the phobias? What are the common phobias? Can I understand my difference? It is not like this how you have to discuss. The discussion is a random, because none of the time the exam being asked, yeah, this is how I will be asking a question. This is the way your concept, your team, your knowledge, your memory power improves. Okay, never ever forget to discuss at least half an hour a day or 45 minutes a day. So because I just again reinforce the rule 2, the group discussion, which majority in videos available in the platform, which are more corporate running apps, are telling please don't do group discussion, which I am totally disagree with any other people. This is the right way to motivate you guys, or the concept, or any X or Y or Z app, or just to help you. It is you have to read. It is your team have to motivate. Anton will be motivating today. I will not be motivating for you for another 7 days or 4 weeks. But if you have a team, the team will be motivating every day. Every lunch session you discuss half an hour. Hey, macha, super padichida, kalakitida. Hey, super solida pani, kalakitama. Hey, Jayanti, nalla sonnamma. Hey, Uma, you told nicely. Hey, Pranjal, you told nicely. That's how the team discussion happens. If I utter a word, Kalai, you have read well. Naveen Raj, you have answered well. You feel good, no? So this is the strength of the team. This is the real serotonin of team. The rule 2. The rule 1, don't skip subject in the last 6 months. The rule 2, which I want to tell, is group discussion. The rule 3, the most important aspects in any team is like fear, how to face it. This is the rule 3. See, any fear response is good. I have a fear and I read well, is a good. When the fear response, fear is increasing, the response, when the fear is increasing, the response is also increasing. When the fear is go at one point of time, the very peak, the response goes down. So this is the psychological point of view. But what I want to tell, fear is important. Chariya, kara nalladhu, surf excel la solra mari, kara nalladhuன்ற mari, need PGO, need super specialty, fear, bayam, முக்கியம். ஒரு படத்துல சொல்ற மாதிரி, என்ன சார் உங்களுக்கு வந்து என்ன உனக்கு விஜய் படத்துல சொன்ன மாதிரி, என்ன இந்த மக்கள் கிட்ட எல்லாம் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சது பயம். அந்த பயம் இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, அந்த பயம், அந்த பயத்தினாலதான் நான் அப்படி இருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவான் வில்லன். அதே மாதிரி நீட் பிஜி எக்ஸாம் இஸ் a villain. நீட் பிஜி எக்ஸாம் for a நீட் பிஜி எக்ஸாம் villain, the fear is important. When there is a fear, you will prepare how to overcome the fear. It is not only the preparation alone, it is like strengthening your other aspects. That's the key. The last point which I want to tell is To overcome the fear, I request all dear PG aspirants, okay, to buy a cycle. Okay, in Corona time, even you are not allowed to take a vehicle when there is a lockdown, but you can roam with a cycle. Wherever you want to go for a small break or small outing, utilize the cycle. The recommendation of an hour any aerobic activity per day is good for heart, good for mind. Now you may be your heart may be protected because you may be young. Okay, but what is in a long run important? Your physical health as well as mental health. For both physical as well as mental health, in NEET PG time, the stress and also increases the atherosclerosis, which we know very well. To overcome the fear, please do some activity. I hope walking some may be good, use it, or some may love to do a cycling. Please do it, especially if girls are doing doing a cycling in the early morning. Be safe. Okay, Sir Anton told, okay, we'll take a cycle and we will roam. Be safe. Okay, there are wrong people also will be surrounded in this society, especially girls. Please have a safe when you go for a cycling in a late night or a very early morning, because we prepare like this. Be safe. The most important thing. So these are the key for facing the exam. So I repeat, don't skip a subject. I repeat, number 2, group discussion. Number 3, the fear is important. You overcome the fear by regular physical activity, exercise, cycling, or even in your wherever you stay. Just begin a day with exercise. Your day will be superb, my dear friends. Your day will be very superb. Don't miss any group discussion. All the best. This is Dr. Anton Reshkumar, founder, CEO, and president of the Concept. Just be in line, my dear friends. Yeah, I will end the broadcast. Thank you, my dear friends. Enjoy the last 6 months of reading. You all will crack in the upcoming NEET PG exam. Our sincere prayers and dedication for guidance is always there. I again repeat, NEET PG or any competitive exam is just an exam. Life is all about living. Enjoy life. Life is more important than a PG, than a money, than your girlfriend, than your spouse, or anything. Live your life. Your life is more important than anything. Next comes, if you are good, your wife will be good, your partner will be good, your family will be good, this society also will be good. All the best. Jai Hind.